So if you check the Cloudflare Workers AI, you will notice the list of models like Gemma-SEA-LION listed over there, right? If you take a look at the command line interface, most likely more options appear there instead of here, right? So this particular Gemma-SEA-LION and v4, then the parameters is something that you can even check here as well, right? Now the question is, what exactly is the SEA-LION range? So Singapore has decided to tune their own local language support with Gemma, Quen and apparatus, as these models are they planning to use within their own infrastructure, right? So their languages includes Mandarin, Tagalog, Tamil, Thai and few others. Within C region, these languages are spoken and the models are tuned for them, right? And this way they have more control over the type of models they can have used locally, because a lot of models like one from Claude and OpenAI often don't care for the localization as much as they should, so other models are being tuned for that. So Gemma being from Google, they have forked into this SEA-LION range, right? So in order to access this for free, you can go to Cloudflare, register and have your account ID and API to basically deploy these models, or even use through something like open code, right? So let's say I have one project which is Ethereum gas tracker. So I'll open code here and we will give it a task, right? So something like, let's first open it. Now here to show you the models, right? Now the provider we have is Cloudflare Workers. Now Gemma-SEA-LION we will select, right? Now what we will do is we will ask it to create a readme with the language support of, let's say it is SEA-LION, right? So it has to have support for something like command, right? So I want to try that out. Create a readme.html for this project and store it in the language command, and have minimal CSS for making it easier to read, right? So basically we will give it a very simple task for that particular project and it will write it in the language supported by this SEA-LION range, right? So if you take a look at their official AI, they still have support from there as well, right? So we will take a look at the Cloudflare part, and here we will, now here you can see the Tamil being written, and I have to access the readme here to see whether it was really translated. So as you can see, this particular readme is written in Tamil. So Gemma has done its task and did the local translation. So as per the SEA-LION project, I think language support is pretty decent, and you happen to be in C region and wish to use this particular model for building those translation specific project, I think this would be a good option.